So hello wonderful people, myself Himan and you are watching Shooting Star English. The name is Shooting Star English because I already have a channel name Shooting Star which is in Hindi, so it is just another version of my previous channel which is in English, okay, blah blah blah. So in this video I gonna teach you how to do arm wave, okay, in 6 and 10 steps, okay. I have one method which I cover in 6-step arm wave, and another is 10-step arm wave which is a little bit advanced, you can say, okay. So without wasting any time I will show you how to do it, okay. So first of all you have to place your arms like this, little bit down like a aeroplane, okay. So from here you have to roll down your wrist like this. This is our 1, okay. Now you have to lift your elbow like this, okay. This is our 2. So from beginning 1, 2, okay. If you get some difficulty in step 2 in raising your elbow, so you just have to suppose you are hitting someone with your elbow like okay, then you got it how to do 2. So 1, 2. Now you have to add your shoulder like 3, okay, 3, okay. Again 1, 2, shoulder 3, okay. So from now it is little bit difficult or complicated, you can say, not that much. So from now you have to go to 4. For 4 you have to place your this shoulder down and lift your this shoulder up. This is 4, okay. 1, 2, 3. This goes down, this goes up. 3, 4, okay. I will show you from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay. For this shift you can practice like this, okay. This will help you to go from 3 to 4, okay. So if you get some difficulty, just add or practice separately this, okay. I know it seems like little bit funny, but it will definitely help you, okay. So where are we? Yes, in 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, again elbow, 5 and again twist, 6, okay. So we cover this arm wave in 6 steps. So 6 steps, okay. So from beginning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So practice a lot, then you will get how to do it like this, okay. So this is the way of doing arm wave in 6 steps. Now I will show you how to do it in 10 steps. This is little bit advanced and little bit difficult, so the rest is same, but in this 10 step we just from here we just have to add our fingers and knuckles. The rest is same, okay. So from now we have to, the 1 is 1, okay, 1, then knuckles 2, then 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay. The rest is same, 3, then 4, 5, 6, same, 7, same, 8, same, then again we have to add knuckles, 9 and fingers, 10, and same from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. With practice you will do like this. So this thing, this two steps with finger and knuckles will add illusion, more illusion of waving. Okay, so if you don't get it how to do this, just practice this. Okay. So I hope you find value in this video and you get how to do arm wave, and thank you for watching. So I have another variation of this waving. Maybe I will make another tutorial for variation. So comment if you like this video and tell me you want to see another variation and things and tips to improve your waving. So just tell me in comments, so in future I will make video on that. So thank you for watching and keep supporting, and new videos will coming very soon. Peace out, love you.